Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Lito X1. In this video I'll show you first setup of the drone. Let's start with extracting the wings. Firstly, we've got two pair of wings, right and left. Top wings eject like this. Bottom wings eject like this. The drone will automatically turn on after ejecting the wings. Now we have to take the cover out. In order to do it, push it downwards and pull it. Camera cover is now taken out. The drone is turned on. We can also press this button to activate it. Press the button again and hold to turn drone off. The drone can be also turned on or off simply by ejecting rear right wing. If the drone didn't turn on after ejecting wing, simply press the power button. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.